Today, guys, we are playing with this place now. It's mixed with 2 cups of baking soda, 1 cup or half a cup of conditioner, and we are gonna see how satisfying it is and all that stuff. So let's get into playing with the snow. First, we are gonna make little balls with these. I only goes up to 1 tablespoon. I'm sorry we couldn't find anything bigger. So, yes, let's get into it. This is the 1 cup of 1 tablespoon of snow. This is going to turn out really well. I played with this for about 3-4 days, and it's been pretty well. So you want to pack it up until you think it's enough, which is this much. You grab a butter knife, and you go like this, and then bang it on your palm or just a surface like this, and there you have it. It's a little semi-side or whatever it's called, and it's kind of crumbly, so you can't like pick it up and put it in something. So yeah, this part, you headphone users, turn up the sound really loud. This is gonna be so satisfying. Sorry if you did catch that. It was kind of like a slippery snake. I thought it would be satisfying. So let's do the rest of these. So this is 1.5 tablespoons. So let's fill this up. You gotta pack it in really nice, like use like your palm or your fingers just on the surface. Then take your butter knife, do the exact same thing, just a few times, and then it'll plop into your hand. And you can put it back in here and see it's actually good. And watch this. Boop. I have 2 dogs, so yeah. This is smooth. Alright, let's get back to this. So now is 1/4 of a tablespoon. Pretty tiny, as you can tell. The exact same thing. You can do it with anything. You can do it with moon sand. It's pretty cool. It's exactly like this, but it sticks together better. So, ready? Watch this. And poof. This is not last but least 1/8 tablespoon. There we go. And then you go like this, and then you go like this, and that's the storage, so I'm gonna do it again. And then you shave off the excess like the other 3, and then you go plop. Wait, this won't go plop. Okay, come on. Come on! That's just rude too. Well, you get it. So, there we go, that's done. And this will leave a cool print. We just randomly thought this would leave a cool print, so you're gonna see what it leaves. Look at that. A smacky smacky. Scoop. Alright, so I guess we can make something I haven't done yet, which is something is pretty cool that I did with the other kind of stuff we did. We get like this. There's like a little shell, and then you go crack with some. And look at this, sprinkles, like sprinkles. So you go like this, and you let it fall. And also, you can like grab a pile of it, squeeze it in your hand, and then go like that. And it's pretty fun. Honestly, I was watching The Grinch while playing with this, and I basically just stood here playing with it the whole entire movie. Like, that's pretty impressive just for sand. And yeah, so that's today's video. And I hope you liked it. If you liked it, hit the like button and comment down below if you ever had made this before, because I want to see how many of you guys made it. Let's see how many of you guys like made it like in the past. You don't have to like make it after this video and say you made it. So I want truthers. Truth, truth, truth. So yeah, and if you like this video, hit the like button and you know what to do. Subscribe if you would want more of these videos of me creating stuff, and comment down below what I should make next and showcase it. I would really like to make some stuff that you guys sent me. And there's one more thing I want to show you, and this is pretty cool. So you take a big clump like this. See how there's like a little edge? You can like poke a little hole. You can put conditioner in that big hole and make it like more clumpy, like this. And that's the end of this video. Hit that like button, like I always say. And yeah.